Hollywood has shaped how we imagine extraterrestrials for decades, but could the inspiration behind these iconic films come from classified government projects like Emgotv1? From friendly aliens to ominous encounters, movies like E.T. have long fascinated audiences with their portrayal of extraterrestrial life. The heartwarming story of a young boy befriending an alien tugged at our heartstrings and made us wonder about the possibilities of life beyond Earth. And then there are films like Close Encounters of the Third Kind, which delve into the mysterious and awe-inspiring aspects of alien encounters. These movies captured our imaginations and left us pondering the vastness of the universe and our place within it. Yet, the similarities between these cinematic stories and the alleged Emgotv1 files are too striking to ignore. The Emgotv1 documents, purportedly top-secret government files, detail encounters with unidentified flying objects and extraterrestrial beings. These files have fueled countless conspiracy theories and debates about the existence of UFOs and the government's knowledge of them. The parallels between Hollywood's depiction of alien encounters and the descriptions found in these documents raise intriguing questions about the line between fiction and reality. Spielberg, the mastermind behind Close Encounters, was not just a filmmaker, but a visionary who sought to bring the mysteries of the universe to the big screen. To ensure authenticity, he famously consulted with NASA and military experts during production. These consultations were not mere formalities, they were deep dives into the unknown where science met imagination. Did he uncover secrets too classified for the public, secrets that could change our understanding of extraterrestrial life? Or were these meetings a way for the government to subtly influence his narrative? Perhaps Spielberg was subtly influenced to shape public perception, blending fact with fiction in a way that left audiences questioning what was real and what was pure cinematic magic. His work continues to spark debates and fuel imaginations, making us wonder about the true extent of his discoveries and the stories left untold. Take the glowing spacecraft of Close Encounters or the government's involvement in E.T. These details echo conspiracy theories about government knowledge of extraterrestrials and secret contact protocols. Some argue that these films were more than entertainment. Could Hollywood have been used to desensitize the public, preparing us for a potential extraterrestrial disclosure, or to obscure deeper truths? Fast forward to today. The US Space Force, a relatively new branch of the US military, has sparked numerous debates and discussions regarding its origins and purpose. Many experts and historians trace its roots back to the Cold War era, a time when the US government was heavily invested in secretive UFO projects and advanced aerospace technology. Interestingly, some believe that Hollywood, with its iconic sci-fi films and imaginative depictions of space, may have been subtly laying the groundwork for public acceptance of such a force all along. Could it be that the seeds of the Space Force were planted in the minds of the public through the silver screen, preparing us for a future where space is the next frontier of defense and exploration? Coincidence or calculated influence? The link between Hollywood and government secrecy remains an enigma. Subscribe to Emgotv1 for more investigations into the unknown.